Welcome to this explainer. Okay, picture this. You're staring blankly at a row of stale chips at 2 in the afternoon. Your energy is crashing and you're just dreading the rest of your shift. We've all been there, right? You know the modern workplace eating dilemma all too well. Well, today we are unpacking some fascinating source material that looks at a truly innovative shift in how we eat at work. Enter the vending meal kit. So here's a wild thought. Can a vending machine really replace a full-scale cafeteria? Now, I know it sounds like a massive stretch, doesn't it? We are so historically conditioned to view these machines as the absolute last resort for a desperate, time-starved office worker. But the material we're exploring today completely challenges that very notion. It suggests a massive, tech-driven upgrade to our entire office food landscape, one that might just render the traditional cafeteria obsolete.
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1. The Meal Kit Solution.
Let's start by looking at the stark contrast here. For decades, the break room meant settling for crinkly bags of chips, sugary sodas, and isolated, highly processed snacks. But the Smart Meal Kit machine completely flips the script. Now we're talking about curated meals, fresh fruit, and nutritionally balanced combos. It is a total rethinking of what can actually be dispensed at the push of a button, elevating the experience from a mere sugar rush to genuine, real sustenance.
So what exactly is a vending meal kit? Essentially, it's the strategic grouping of several complementary food items into one highly convenient option, all for a single purchase. Instead of buying a sandwich, doing a totally separate transaction for an apple, and then pulling out your card yet again for a drink, it's all thoughtfully bundled together for you in one seamless go.
Just imagine the journey of building a standard, well-rounded lunch. Step 1 is your main course, like a fresh, hearty sandwich to anchor the meal. Step 2 adds in fresh fruit for those essential vitamins. Step 3 incorporates a smaller snack for that crucial afternoon energy boost. And Step 4 caps the whole thing off with a hydrating drink. You get a comprehensive meal procured in literal seconds. It completely replaces that stressful need to piece together a lunch from scattered, unhealthy options when you're already super short on time.
And this idea builds way beyond just lunch. Take a breakfast kit, for example. Operators are bundling items like rich yogurt, crunchy granola, and fresh fruit. This really highlights the incredible versatility of these systems. They can effortlessly cater to the early morning rush, providing a highly nutritious start to the workday long before the local cafes have even opened their doors. For early commuters who used to rely on skipping breakfast altogether, it's a total game changer.
Moving right along, Section 2, Customizing for Every Diet.
Look, modern workers are definitely not one-size-fits-all, and their food options shouldn't be either. Imagine a diverse team of 10 people. Their dietary needs are going to vary wildly. Well, meal kits can seamlessly support those diverse preferences. For folks with vegetarian requirements, operators can stock hearty plant-based meals. Need high protein for a physically demanding role? They can easily rotate in meat and nut combinations. And for lighter days, they can offer smaller, calorie-conscious portions or fresh, crisp salads. It's all about providing genuine choices that actually align with an employee's personal lifestyle rather than forcing them to compromise. But you might be wondering, how do operators know what to actually stock to keep everyone happy? Well, the answer is incredibly dynamic. They use employee feedback to develop new combinations. This isn't just some static menu set in stone by a distant corporate office. By constantly reviewing purchasing patterns and getting direct input from the office floor, the menu naturally evolves to match exactly what the workers actually want to eat, week after week.
Up next, Section 3, Improving Workplace Convenience. Why do meal kits ultimately win out in the modern workplace? It basically comes down to quick access in a single purchase. This means significantly less time spent throwing on a coat, leaving the building, standing in a long line, and searching for lunch. You get to spend your hard-earned break actually resting and recharging. This is exceptionally ideal for employees working non-traditional or graveyard shifts when the local deli is closed tight. Furthermore, it entirely solves the persistent headache for offices located in food deserts or industrial parks with severely limited nearby dining options.
How can technology manage meal kits? Let's get into Section 4, Smart Tech and Inventory.
Now, what's really interesting about this is that managing fresh meals isn't at all the same as stocking a shelf with dry crackers. Smart vending tech acts as the invisible brain of the whole operation. It connects product information directly with cloud-based inventory data. It tracks individual products and sales in real time, instantly identifying which combinations are hitting the mark and which are just falling flat. Plus, it utilizes advanced barcode scanning to make stock updates totally seamless during replenishment. It is an incredibly sophisticated logistics system wrapped up in a glass box, running quietly in the background. To see how businesses are practically applying this, our source notes you can explore solutions at places like vendingmachines.ie. Reviewing platforms like this perfectly demonstrates how organizations can impartially explore and integrate this kind of smart technology to support their unique workplace requirements, drastically reducing manual oversight and ensuring the machines are always stocked with what people actually want.
Which brings us to Section 5, Maintaining Food Quality. Now, it's perfectly natural to have a bit of skepticism about getting fresh, perishable food from a machine. I totally get it. However, operators must follow strict, necessary procedures to guarantee safety and freshness. Step 1 is establishing rigorous daily inventory check protocols. Step 2 involves constantly monitoring storage conditions, like maintaining a highly precise internal temperature. Step 3 enforces careful stock rotation, which is absolutely vital when kits contain multiple fresh items with varying shelf lives. And Step 4 ensures the immediate, prompt removal of any unsuitable or expired items. In this industry, these protocols are entirely non-negotiable.
And this brilliantly illustrates how the entire quality control process is actually empowered by the technology we discussed earlier. As our source notes, smart inventory information can also help operators identify products that sell slowly and adjust future purchasing decisions. Think about it. If a certain spicy chicken sandwich combo just isn't moving, the smart system flags it early. This prevents future food waste and keeps the overall stock incredibly fresh and highly desirable for the employees.
So the crucial point is it practical? Let's wrap up with Section 6, is it practical? Before actually upgrading to this modern system, there are some very real logistical realities a business must carefully weigh. A company needs to factor in the available physical machine space in their current break room, alongside specific dedicated refrigeration and electrical requirements. They have to commit to continuously gauging employee preferences to ensure the investment is actually utilized, while strictly managing those vital inventory procedures. Plus, it requires a steadfast dedication to regularly reviewing sales data to keep the whole operation running smoothly and efficiently over the long term.
So ultimately, the payoff is remarkably clear. This is a highly convenient way to provide varied, nutritious food choices without requiring the massive overhead, staffing, and real estate of a full traditional cafeteria. For modern businesses, this is the core value proposition, maximizing employee flexibility, health, and food variety within a highly efficient, deeply manageable footprint.
Which leaves us with one final thought to ponder. Are customized vending meal kits the future of your office break room? As workplace food needs continue to evolve and employees demand better, healthier, and faster options, it certainly looks like the days of settling for a sad bag of pretzels might just be behind us for good. Thanks for joining me for this explainer. I hope it gave you some great food for thought. Keep learning, and I'll catch you next time.